Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of data analytics in marketing. In this video, we'll explore how businesses can leverage data analytics to elevate their marketing strategies. First, let's understand what data analytics in marketing truly means. It involves examining raw data to make informed decisions. This data can come from various sources like customer feedback, sales figures, social media interactions, or website traffic. The main goal is to identify trends and patterns that can enhance marketing efforts. So, how can you apply data analytics effectively? Start with defining your marketing goals. Whether you aim to increase brand awareness, boost sales, or improve customer engagement, a clear goal will guide your data collection and analysis. Next, gather the right data. There are numerous tools available, such as Google Analytics for website traffic or social media insights for engagement metrics. These tools help collect and visualize data, providing a foundation for in-depth analysis. Once you have your data, it's time to analyze. Look for patterns that align with your marketing objectives. For instance, if you notice certain content drives higher engagement, double down on similar strategies. Data analytics can also reveal demographics and preferences, enabling you to tailor personalized marketing messages. Now, let's talk about predictive analytics. This powerful tool uses historical data to forecast future trends. By predicting customer behavior, you can proactively address their needs, ensuring your marketing campaigns hit the mark. Another aspect is A/B testing. By comparing two versions of a campaign, you can determine what resonates best with your audience. This iterative process leads to continual improvement and optimization. Remember, data alone isn't enough. Pair your analytics with creativity and intuition to harness both data-driven insights and emotional connections with your audience. Finally, always maintain data privacy and ethical standards. Build trust with your audience by being transparent about data usage. Speak to us today to simplify your data analytics in marketing. At Bubble Becky Advertising, we cater to your unique business needs, helping you turn data into actionable insights. And there you have it. With data analytics, marketers can craft smarter, more effective strategies, boosting not just sales, but also customer satisfaction. With data analytics, marketers can craft smarter, more effective strategies, boosting not just sales, but also customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.